Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account in Doordash. It's a really simple and easy process. So if you have a bank account that you would like to use as the payout method, it is very simple to do. Make sure that you have the latest version of Dasher mobile app that you can find on the Play Store or App Store. The method is going to work for both versions, but the layout of the app might different. So what you have to do is sign into your Dasher account. Make sure that you sign into the proper account where you are going to be attributing the bank account to, and go to the earnings tab, or sometimes you might see it at the bottom bar regardless of where you see the earning tab. Just go inside of the menu for your earnings and you will be able to see a graph and other information regarding how much you have made in the past weeks or month. What you have to do here is tap this little bank icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of the screen. So if you notice here, I have highlighted it for you. It's going to be right next to the question mark icon at the top right corner of the earning tab. Immediately upon tapping the bank symbol at the top right corner, you will see all the payout methods currently attributed to your account. They will give you the option to change this payout method and you can browse through various options. So as you can see on the screen, for example, the current pay method is going to be instant pay. To add dash your direct prepaid card. So if you want to add a bank account, you will have to scroll down, and usually the option to add a bank account is going to be available under this payout method, weekly pay to your bank account. Now you can also browse through other options as long as you can see the add a bank account button. As I have highlighted here, you will be able to add a bank account in Doordash and manage your payout that way. Choose whichever option you prefer, and as long as you see add a bank account button, you will be able to include the details about your account. Now unfortunately, I cannot show you this full process on the screen because of security reasons. But it's very simple to do. After you tap this option, as you might expect, you are going to get the prompt to include an account number, a routing number, and confirm your identity. Doordash might do some verifications check, and because of this process might not be instant, but as long as you are able to include valid and legitimate information about a bank account, it is going to be attributed to your Dasher account. Immediately after doing this process, just wait for a notification confirming that the bank account has been verified, and you can start dashing again until it's time to receive your payout, as long as this payout method is set as current. So don't forget to select it. After you add the bank account, you will be good to go for your future payouts. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.